In a world of endless possibilities, one choice can change everything. They said building a team was hard. They were wrong. What if the key to your freedom was just one decision away? Introducing the We Share Abundance Easy Team Builder. Simple, affordable, duplicatable. And you build your team for any business you choose. It's the simple way to the top. It's not just about making money, it's about creating a legacy. A team that grows with you, a system that works for you. Financial freedom, time freedom, it's all within your reach. Because when we share abundance, everyone prospers. Imagine a community where your success is everyone's success. Where every member is a potential partner in your journey to freedom. This is not just a program, it's a revolution in team building. The power of many working as one. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll reap the benefits. We share abundance. Build together. Thrive together. Join the We Share Abundance revolution today. Visit our website now and unlock your potential. Your team is waiting.
Right. Let me explain briefly, okay? First of all, the program that I just played, it's a program that is inside We Share Abundance. That means for you to access that program, you need to become a member of We Share Abundance, okay? And stay active on We Share Abundance. How are you going to do it? You register, become a member, you have verified your KYC, and then you go on the website, and then you see this program here, which is called Easy Team Builder, and then you click that, you open it, you pay your $9, your $9 for the whole year. What are you going to do after paying the $9? You build a team. You invite people to join with your partners and eventually to join the team build. The same way you are doing it, they will do it like that. Let me just put this very clear. Please don't bother if you know you are not going to be active on the website. Please don't bother if you know you are not going to put some work. Don't bother, and please don't bother if you are a person who are looking for quick money. Please don't bother if you are going to waste your time, waste my time, waste every person's time. Don't even think about it, okay? Don't click my link. I want people who are serious. Very soon I will make a video where I am making an offer to someone who wants to become a member of We Share Abundance or of the team, the Easy TT Team Builder. I will give you a $9 that you can join with, and then we can start working. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching. The link to register is in the description. After you register, please let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Thank you so much. You have a fantastic day. I'm out.